everybody, it is time for our latest and greatest Tara's must-have, and I have to tell you, this is one of my all-time favorites. Do you know what a cloche is? First of all, it's anything that you want to surround with this beautiful, gorgeous glass, and you're usually able to put something on the inside. Ours, of course, is done in this beautiful decorative glass, and take a peek at romance. So we did these in seasonal patterns. The heart, figural heart up here at the top, absolutely stunning. And then do you notice all of our pink hearts, all of our red hearts, all of that detail that you see there? Absolutely stunning, which is fantastic. And look at that. I love the fact that it sits right on a bamboo base. So what's nice is this is food safe as well. So if you wanted to put meringues or cookies or do a little charcuterie board, you could do that as well. So of course we have it in romance, and that's so sweet. I love the idea, if you can swing it, of picking up more than one, because you could anchor these on your table, you could anchor them on your mantle, all different ways. You could put flameless candles inside there. But then we also have our beautiful garden, and our garden has the gorgeous bird up here at the top. You can see the ladybug peeking through. We have the dragonfly, absolutely adorable. And then last but not least, we have our sweet little hummingbird. And you have all these great colors, tropical colors, that just scream garden party, absolutely adorable. Then, let's also remind you that you also have what we love to call our egg hunt. That beautiful spring pattern that has all of those gorgeous egg details there. Look at how sweet. This is like spring meets Easter. Absolutely beautiful. You're getting both pieces. You're just choosing what season you want. And then last but not least, wait till you see our patriotic. I absolutely love this one. We did a star finial right here at the top. And then of course you have the fireworks, the red, white, and blue. All of those gorgeous details, all individually done. The sculpted knob right here at the top. Then of course you have that great wood base that you see here. And I just want to see who's checking in, who's saying hi. Hello Mary, hi Chris. Hello, Nicole. Good to see everybody. Can I show you guys really quick also some of the things that we can do inside here? So, do you want to go ahead and pop a candle in here? Look at how great this is. I love the idea. We have so many flameless candles. I know all of us do. Popping flameless candles inside here, and now putting this somewhere where it would be nice and you could see the light, which I absolutely love. And I love the fact that you have that lightweight, beautiful wood base that you see right here at the bottom. So absolutely beautiful. Love that, love that, love that. Oh, Margie's saying hi. Kelly's saying hi. Are these not amazing, you guys? Under $25 for these beautiful cloches that are food safe as well. So if you wanted to go ahead and do this, let me show you just a sec. Look what we did here with our sweet little cheese board. And we did that in our garden. Our garden pattern is one of those patterns that we only offer this time of year. Once it's gone, and you won't see it again. Margaret saying hello from El Paso, Texas. Pearl saying hi and checking in. I love that. These are just stunning, you guys. They're a beautiful height here. So again, you can tuck them under your cabinets if you want to. They're absolutely beautiful. I think we can get a little clearer, and you'll see again the bird up here at the top, and then all of that detail that you see there. We even did some cupcakes. Oh, by the way, if you picked up, let me move this guy. Hold, please. Stay with me. Did you pick up one of our hearts? We actually did a set of 2 of these. They were the must-have the other day. Look how stinking cute this is. If you picked up 2 of the romance cloches, you could tuck each one of those hearts right inside there. And how adorable would that be? Look, ready? Let me show you, because I just love the idea. $25 for each. Let me pull it back so you can see it. There's your white, there's your red. And I wanted you to see the full size of this, because it's a nice, generous size, which is awesome. This is why we made it a Tara's must-have. This is why it's been so exciting. Hi, Mary Fisher saying hi. Anita saying hi. Gracie, Peggy. Everybody is checking in. Did you guys check out our live stream earlier? Hilarious. We had so much fun. Wednesday is always a great day for us because it is all about live streaming and cooking and having fun. So if you can swing it and you can pick up more than one, feel free to go ahead and do that. We have it in egg hunt. We have it in garden. Don't forget we have patriotic. Woo, woo. And last but not least, we have our romance. So that's why we made it a Tara's must-have. You must absolutely check it out. If you want further details, head over to Temp-tations.com. But don't wait. These are seasonal. What we bring in is what we bring in for the season. And these, we hit it out of the park. These are drop dead gorgeous. All right, you guys, head over to Temp-tations.com and check it all out. I'll see you guys very, very soon. And we'll be back this evening, tonight, in the kitchen with David. So make sure to check it out. It's another presentation of our big deal. But this is a big deal right now. So head over to Temp-tations.com and check it out. See you guys.